Alright, so my brother just got done shoveling off the deck here, the porch top, but you know, the snow is already above. It's already above the top step. Already, yeah. Yeah, we got snow. It's above the top step. So, yeah, here's all that. All that stuff piled up. Look at that. My brother shoveling that happened to fall off, but look at that, you know. That overhang, yeah, I think he knocked that down. That's what happened there. Yeah, it just got too heavy, and it wanted to come down on its own. So, anyway. Yeah, it's 9. It's 9:15 right now. And, yeah, snow. Got a lot of shoveling to do tomorrow. I'm gonna have to exercise my back. Look at that thing. Just gonna need a wipe.